What up there, Internet?
Hey there, camera.
Yeah, we're about to try a truly Japanese experience for the first time, both of us. We're going to hit up the onsen in this ryokan we're staying in.
Yeah.
I'm a little nervous.
Me too.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
You'll be fine. We'll update you when we get back.
Yeah.
And that's the women's, and the men's is over here. We arrived in the middle of the night, so couldn't see how beautiful it was outside. Wow. The view from the bath too is like mountains. Snow-covered mountains. Gorgeous. It's traditional after going in the onsen to get some milk. Fruit, chocolate, regular, banana, and also strawberry. What you gonna choose?
I guess strawberry? I wonder what fruit is, though. I'll go fruit.
Okay.
22.
Basically cradles your milk to the bottom.
Thank you so much.
Let's try it. We can try it in the little tatami room if you want.
Oh, down here, I guess? It's tingly in there. How was your side?
Tingly, what does that mean? No, let's just focus on milk for now.
I'm not a big fan of milk generally, but this is nice. It tastes more of strawberry than of milk somehow.
Yeah, I can't drink milk, so I'm gonna leave that to you.
Did you sit in the jet things?
I did.
Me too. I liked that there were different heights and the different sort of inclines to target different areas of your back.
Was there a little kappa guy sitting on top of the source? No, I had a little kappa sitting right on top of the water spout.
Although it was so
Foggy.
steamy,
Yeah.
foggy, that I didn't. Yeah, glasses was dumb. I wore them in there. I wore my mask in there.
I forgot I had mine on.
Yeah, I went back out when I realized, but I put a bunch of shampoo in my hair, and I was like, I'm wearing a mask.
I got in the water,
Like,
and I had my mask on.
oh,
So, yeah. So how was your first experience?
yeah.
Yeah.
pleasurable. I was worried that like I'd be a wuss about how hot it was and I'd have a hard time getting in.
It was hot.
I had an easy time getting in, but I guess I stayed in too long because I'm like baked.
Yeah.
Baked.
Mm-hmm. Good morning, camera. Yeah, this is our first real full non-transport day of our trip. Yesterday we took the train and came up to Tono. And what prefecture is this again? It starts with an I.
Yeah, I was going to say that exactly.
I don't remember.
Iwate.
Iwate, that's right. And we had
Iwate, I suppose.
Iwate. We had our first onsen experience. And this morning I woke up and went back down to the onsen, and it's magical. The views out to the mountains with the snow, the peaks. And this is the view from our room. It was there all night. Yeah, so today we're going to adventure around this area on foot. See how cold it gets. Although apparently it's warmer here than back in Toronto today because they have some kind of weird Arctic chill. Minus 21. So here at least it's a balmy minus 13. Yeah, anyway, we will take you with us. Good morning, Wiggle Guy.
Good morning.
This reminds me a lot of when we stayed in Kawaguchiko.
I knew you were going to say that.
How did you know?
Because I was thinking the same thing.
The view over there is what you can see from the onsen. The mountains. And now,
The little sign for the place we're staying.
oh yeah,
It shows you via Kappa that there is dining and showers and
Sleep.
sleeping and fishing.
that's cute.
We're only going Kappa fishing.
Yeah.
Hope you brought your cucumbers. Yeah, clearly no one is going in there with the untouched snow
Yeah.
from the road to the gate. But it looks magical in there. The water wheel and
Kappa's world
the
now.
hut. Sure. Do they thrive in winter or do they hibernate? I was surprised the one Kappa story in the Tono book that you have about fairy tales.
Yeah.
The Kappa like gets caught or goes to the guy's house or whatever, and he just speaks English, like or not English, sorry, Japanese, but yeah, he just speaks articulately, and everyone thinks this is normal and fine. I would have assumed that they were like squawky monsters. So it's interesting that yeah,
They're clever fellows.
according to legend, perfect command of language.
Look at these views. Are we the only tourists that, on our own accord, go for a 45-minute hike in one direction?
Maybe.
Probably. wish I could pack that. It's a good thing they have one.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that lights down there.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
It is cool.
Wow. Wow, look at that view.
Beautiful.
And the frost and the snow behind you. Holy crap, eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Winter Wonderland.
This is what I travel for. Stuff like this.
Yeah, it feels far more in our element when we're walking.
Yeah.
And a little less us. Like, we took a cab in Japan.
Yeah.
Never done
Cab in
that.
general? We never
Never. Well, from airports sometimes, but not from the airport in Japan. A different side of Japan.
Yeah. Are you frozen like a brick yet?
Yes, but in a fun way. Because it's fun to be frozen like a brick.
You didn't even pack a scarf.
No, but I've got a collar and a face mask.
What are you doing?
We just crossed a local college track team during their morning run with their coaches yelling encouragement.
Yeah.
I don't know, neat local culture, texture, I don't know. I thought it was neat.
He's so cute. Can I sit beside him, you think?
Yeah. Waiting for the Kappa bus. Look at this little guy.
Stop ruining the photo. He is such a cute little guy. And his little post friend. That's cute too. This is so picturesque. Is your little friend there? Is his name Capadonna?
That is Capadonna.
I feel like you should have some snow in his cap.
It's true.
Yeah.